Top 10 Best Ways to Make Money Online. Step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, today I'm going to break down the top 10 best ways to make money online, and not just list them, but actually show you how to get started with each one. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these methods work in 2025 and beyond. I'll give you step-by-step pointers, free resources, and common mistakes to avoid. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll have at least one new income stream to start building today. 1. Freelancing, selling your skills directly to clients. How to start. List your skills: writing, design, video editing, coding, virtual assistants, etc. Create a profile on Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. Post a clear gig description with examples of your work. Pro tip: start with competitive pricing to get reviews, then raise your rates. Earnings range: $20 to $100 plus per hour, depending on your skill level. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales. How to start. Choose a niche: fitness, tech, beauty, finance. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or CJ Affiliate. Promote products through a blog, YouTube, TikTok, or email list. Pro tip: focus on products you've actually used and can genuinely recommend. Earnings range: $50 to $10,000 per month, depending on audience size and product price. 3. Print-on-demand, selling custom designs on products like shirts, mugs, and phone cases with no inventory. How to start. Create designs on Canva or Photoshop. Upload to Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble. Promote via social media or Etsy. Pro tip: niche down. For example, funny gym shirts or dog lover mugs. Earnings range: $200 to $5,000 per month, depending on sales volume. 4. YouTube content creation. Making videos and earning from ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. How to start. Pick a niche: tutorials, reviews, lifestyle, gaming. Film with your phone. Focus on good lighting and sound. Post consistently. Aim for 1 to 2 videos per week. Pro tip: use keyword-rich titles to boost search traffic. Earnings range: $100 to $50,000 per month, depending on niche and audience size. 5. Selling digital products. Creating ebooks, templates, music, or online courses that you sell repeatedly. How to start. Identify a problem people need solved. Create the product once. Example: Canva templates. Sell via Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Pro tip: bundle products to increase average order value. Earnings range: $500 to $20,000 per month, depending on demand. 6. Drop shipping. Selling products online without keeping inventory. Suppliers ship directly to customers. How to start. Research trending products using tools like Sell the Trend or Google Trends. Set up a Shopify store. Connect with suppliers from AliExpress or Spocket. Pro tip: focus on quality control and fast shipping times to avoid bad reviews. Earnings range: $500 to $50,000 per month, depending on marketing skills. 7. Stock photography and video. Selling your photos or videos to businesses, marketers, and media outlets. How to start. Take high-quality images or clips, nature, business, lifestyle. Upload to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5. Tag your files with relevant keywords for search. Pro tip: shoot evergreen subjects that are always in demand. Earnings range: $50 to $2,000 per month, passive income. 8. Blogging. Writing articles on topics people search for and monetizing the traffic. How to start. Pick a niche with high search demand. Set up WordPress with hosting from SiteGround or Bluehost. Write 2 to 3 SEO-optimized posts per week. Pro tip: target low competition keywords to rank faster. Earnings range: $200 $100 to $20,000 per month once traffic builds. 9. Remote consulting / coaching. Selling your knowledge and experience directly to clients via calls or video sessions. How to start. Define your area of expertise, business, fitness, mindset, etc. Create a simple landing page with your offer. Use LinkedIn or social media to find clients. Pro tip. Offer a free first session to build trust and get testimonials. Earnings range $50 to $500 per hour. 10. Investing and trading. Growing your money through stocks, ETFs, or crypto. How to start. Learn the basics via free courses on YouTube or Investopedia. Open an account with a broker like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Binance. Start small and reinvest profits. Pro tip. Never invest more than you can afford to lose and focus on long-term growth rather than quick wins. Earnings range unlimited but highly variable. All right, those are my top 10 ways to make money online. Here's my challenge for you. Pick one method today and commit to working on it for the next 30 days. Don't try all 10 at once. Focus, master it, and then add more streams over time. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment telling me which method you're going to try first.